Hi guys, my name is Pederico Niegas.
My name is Cece.
And my name is Joaquin Sazana. Today, we are going to throw a toy car, make 𝘒𝑗𝑎𝑑𝑖𝑐 fall.
What is going on here? And why do I hear Haru Urara's crying?
Special week, Cece, Pederico Niegas, and Joaquin Sazana throw a toy car on dog ground. I went for a walk, and I slipped and fall.
Oh my god! Joaquin Sazana, Cece, and Pederico Niegas. How dare you throw a toy car on dog ground and made Haru Urara fall? That's it. I'm calling your guardians. Go home now.
Cece, Joaquin Sazana, and Pederico Niegas. I cannot believe you throw a toy car on the sidewalk and made Haru Urara fall. Now she is hurt because of you.
I agree what Violet said. That's it. You are grounded until her last day of school on June 19th.
Now go to her room and never come back until dinner time.
Maybe it's 'cause I'm fucking tipsy. And I'm pretty tipsy.